Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making spinach, artichoke and cream cheese dip. So let's start baking. These are the ingredients for the spinach and artichoke cheese dip. You'll need 250 grams of room temperature cream cheese, 300 grams of frozen spinach, thawed, 1 cup of marinated artichokes that I've just chopped, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And this is how your dip should look like. Serve it with some crackers or you can put it in these plastic cups, serve it with some vegetables. It's a light vegetarian or keto friendly snack, so enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!